Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize video in Davinci Resolve. So to do this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is actually go to your clip, drag it in the timeline. As you can see right here, I'm in my timeline now. So let's try to clip this right here. So all you have to do is go to your inspector, and then from inspector go to your video, and then from video just locate your retime and scaling, and all you want to do is locate your scaling here. So go to project settings, and here you have your crop, and you have your fit, and you have your fill, which will fill in the screen of your project, and stretch, which will stretch it of course. But in this matter it won't work, so we just go with project settings. And you can also mess with the transform. Here you can change your zoom, so you can zoom in like this. So if you want to zoom in a highlight right here, perhaps this one like I'm doing, as you can see, there you go. You can do it with the x-axis and the y-axis too. So there you go. And there you go. Basically that's how you resize a video in Davinci Resolve 18. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.